Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Teams error code solved. First method is right-click Teams shortcut, click Open File Location. Right-click, Show More Options, click Troubleshoot Compatibility. Click Try Recommended Settings, click Test the program. Click Yes, save these settings for this program. Second method is right-click Teams shortcut, click File Location. Right-click, click Show More Options, click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8. Right-click Run as Administrator. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type %appdata %Microsoft. Click 3 dots, Options. Click View tab, check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Delete Teams folder, if any error, end Task Teams on Task Manager. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Type Teams. Select Teams, click Uninstall. Open any browser. Type Teams Download. Click Download Microsoft Teams Desktop. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.